Ako'y may alaga, asong mataba. Mahaba ang buntot, makinis ang muka. Mahal ko siya, mahal niya rin ako. Kaya't kaming dalaway laging What's up, Bahrain? Hello, what's up, Bahrain? Welcome to my second official vlog. And, of course, I'm wearing Barong Tagalog, a Filipino traditional wear, because we will be tackling about Filipinism. What is Filipinism? These are the words or phrases that seem to be correct in usage, but they are actually grammatically incorrect and are a result of transliteration. So oftentimes this is what most Filipinos use regularly when they speak in English, and oftentimes other nationalities doesn't seem to understand. So we'll see and check this out. So there are a lot of English words and phrases which are Filipinized, which is only used in the Philippines or understood by Filipinos. Oh my God, it's too dark. Waldo, open the lights. So there you go. Filipinos love to use the phrase open the light or open the lights, which it literally means opening the light bulb. Whereas, if you want it to be brighter and it's dark, you could request somebody with the phrase, switch on the lights or turn on the lights. Or rather, switch off the lights or turn off the lights. Can you kindly fill up this form with your details? Whereas the correct term is, can you kindly fill out this form with your details? Okay, take it, it's for free. In language, the word for is either used as a preposition or a conjunction in speech. And the word free is an adjective, so you could simply say, it's free. Oh, wait, time first! Time out is correct. Can you please tuck out that shirt? There you go. One of the most mistaken phrases used by Filipinos is tuck out. Instead, we should be using untuck. Hello! Can you Xerox this page, please? OMG, it's called photocopy. Xerox is a machine. Can you photocopy this page, please? Hello. Yes, salam alaikum. What's up, bro? Yeah, I'll be there in a few minutes. Yes, same place. No need to pick me up. I'll commute. You know, the word commute means to travel back and forth. So rather you'd say, I'll use the public transport, or simply, I'll grab a taxi. I'm high blood. Filipinos use the word high blood whenever they get angry or to express anger, which literally means blood pressure. Oh well. Oh my God, I'm so scared. There's a salvage down the street. There you go, the word salvage. In English dictionary, it means to save from destruction. But for us Filipinos, we usually use the word or understand the word as Oh, that's a nice dress. You're a good sewer. Oh, that's a nice dress. You're a good tailor. Oh my God, I want to make wee-wee. Excuse me, where is the CR? Filipinos love to use CR as an abbreviation or short for comfort room, but CR could also mean as conference room. So rather, we should use restroom or powder room. Can you kindly pass the coupon band, please? This is usually called typewriting or a typewriting paper. Hi, hello, marhaba. Thank you for calling. How can I be of assistance? Okay. Yes. Regarding your inquiry, for a while, please. This hand gesture means for a while here in the Middle East. Filipinos often use the phrase for a while as well, which could internationally mean 1 week, 3 months, or 1 year. Whereas we could simply use for a moment or 1 moment. I want to die. I got busted. Busted in the English dictionary means broken, split, or burst. Busted means rejected. Here in Bahrain, or in the Middle East rather, we have a very special mention. Oh, it's paining. Whereas the proper term is, I have pain or I'm in pain. Hi sis, by the way, this is the same outfit I'm wearing next week. Oh my gosh, that's the exact outfit you wore last night. Filipinos often say next week, but rather the correct term is the week after next. Filipinos often use the term last night as well, instead of using the correct phrase the night before the last.
What's up, Bahrain?
There you go, that's my second official vlog entitled Filipinism. So once again, please do subscribe, like, and click that notification bell for updates of my upcoming video vlogs. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned more about the Filipinos and our Filipinized words and phrases. So see you once again. Take it easy, be safe. What's up, what's up? What's up, Bahrain? Ah! What's up, Bahrain?